Let's be real. Dating apps don't always work as we plan. With how online dating is evolving, it's highly likely for you to be catfished, ghosted, receive pictures you didn't want, and the list goes on and on. What if there was a dating app that allowed users to have enough information about the other user's behavior before even swiping? What if you could know what you were getting into before you started? Say hello to Quinted. Quinted understands all the issues with conventional dating apps and aims to resolve them. We aim to bring a review-based online dating app where users can feel secure while interacting with others. Our rating-based app will enable people to see fellow users' ratings using an emoji system, helping them to get closer to a suitable companion or partner. Our mission is simple: change online dating behavior. And the best part of it all, it will be a free app. Invest in Quinted today and make a difference.